In this problem, we will discuss the continuity of the function. Given function fx is equal to x minus modulus of x for all value of x belongs to R. R is the real numbers. So we have to check the continuity of this function. To check the continuity of the function in terms of limit, we have to consider these two points or two conditions. Number one, the function has to be defined at x equal to c. Here the function is modulus of x, and from the property of the modulus function, modulus of x is equal to x if x is greater than or equal to 0, and modulus of x is equal to minus x if x is less than 0. So the function at x equal to 0 is equal to f0, that is equal to x minus modulus of x will be equal to x, because x is equal to 0. So x minus x, that will be equal to 0. So fx has been defined at x equal to 0. So the first condition is satisfied. Now we have to check the second condition, that is limit of fx x approaches to c is equal to fc. That means the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. Here the value c is equal to 0. So first check the left hand limit, then check the right hand limit. If left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit, then the second condition will be satisfied. So for the left hand limit, limit of fx x approaches to 0 minus, because to the left of 0 means 0 minus, that is equal to limit x minus modulus of x. Modulus of x here will be equal to x less than 0, so it is minus x. So x minus x, because the value of x is 0 minus. 0 minus means it is a negative quantity. That means x less than 0. So x less than 0 means modulus of x is equal to minus x. So x minus x, that is equal to 2x. Okay, x limit of 2x, x approaches to 0 minus. So now you take 0 minus means you take a very small quantity close to 0, which is equal to 0 minus h, where h approaches to 0. So in place of x you write 0 minus h, and 2 is here. So that will be equal to, 2 is a constant value. So 2 limit 0 minus h is equal to minus h, h approaches to 0. So this will be equal to 0. So the left hand limit, that is limit of fx x approaches to 0 minus is equal to 0. Now check the right hand limit. What will be the right hand limit? Let us check. So here limit of fx x approaches to 0 plus will be equal to limit, the function is x plus modulus of x, that means limit x and modulus of x is x if x greater than 0. 0 plus means greater than 0. So x plus x, that is equal to 2x. Since x is greater than 0 plus, so you take the value of x 0 plus h, because h is a very small increment in 0, so that 0 plus will be equal to 0 plus h. So this will be equal to 2 into, 2 is a constant, you take it outside, 2 into limit 0 plus h is equal to h. So if you substitute h is equal to 0, this will be equal to 0. So the left hand limit is equal to the right hand limit. So the given function fx, that is equal to x minus modulus of x, is continuous at x equal to 0. Thank you.